need a bowl, of course, and any towel or anything so you can wipe it. Anything that got like a ridge on it so you can, go in and scrub it real good. So you're going to pour your alcohol into the bowl. You're going to make sure enough is in the bowl so that the closure can sit in the alcohol. You want to make sure you have enough just to sit in the alcohol. So what you want to do is, this is a quick weave I made, so it's not sold. I didn't use needle and thread. So I'm trying to protect the back of the wig so the tracks won't slip, because y'all know it's quick weave. So I'm just gonna let that soak and let it do what it do. Put some more in it because I felt like it was enough in there. We gotta overdo it. Just let it sit for about 2 minutes and then come back and see what it looks like. And basically you're just gonna kind of pull and kind of basically loosen up the adhesive on the lace frontal. You guys get it. When you do it, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Basically, you're just trying to pull, loosening up the glue that's on the lace frontal. See that? It's coming out. So right now, I'm just basically going in with my towel and just going back and forth and just kind of, rubbing it to get the glue off. You got to keep rubbing it because it seems like you smearing it when you keep rubbing it, but you got to keep rubbing it and eventually it's going to come off. See? The glue's coming off. Don't get discouraged. Just keep rubbing it, keep rubbing it, keep rubbing it. Make sure you don't do it too hard because, honey, this ain't no real scalp. So it will start to shed. And your little edges in the front will be bald, and you won't have no little baby hairs because you done rubbed all the little baby hairs off. So make sure you be gentle when you're doing it. It might look like I'm like doing it like real hard, but I'm heavy-handed. So just make sure you keep going in, keep scrubbing it lightly, gently. Because like I said, your little scalp will be bald. This is the end results. You guys, tell me you can reuse your lace frontals. Just one more time now. This one more time. I ain't say you got to keep doing this over and over, but you can use it one more time to bring it back, honey. Brought that scalp back. Yeah. So the next time you try to go buy a frontal and you trying to be on a budget, you better go in with some alcohol, honey. Because it's your best friend if you're trying to save some money. And I'm just doing the little baby hairs. You know how we do. Little baby hairs. Little baby hairs.
you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.